Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, March 5th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. This is going to be a really quick video, but I've had some people ask me why their numbers in their back office fluctuate sometimes. So for example, sometimes this might say 21 or 22. And basically the reason for that is because people aren't current on their memberships, okay? So if somebody isn't current or up to date with their membership, then they get put back to a retail customer instead of an affiliate. All right, and that will change this number down here. So in order to avoid that, the best thing to do is just to go over, click on my membership, and pay for the whole entire year. Okay, you're going to see my membership is good through January 21st of 2024. If and when you can afford to do this, I highly recommend doing it. That way you're never going to have to worry about missing a payment, and that way you don't have to worry about losing your spot in the matrix, because I had a personal referral who had someone on their team miss a payment, okay? And what happened was they're out of the matrix now. So for that person to start back in the matrix again, they're going to have to start back over, all right? And you don't want to do that. So this is my advice for the membership. You know, pay for the year. You're going to save 20 bucks, and then you don't have anything to worry about, all right? So I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you find any value in this, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.